Hello, Ms. Forth. In order for your students to be added to your course, here are the directions on how to do that. So you'll start with the course that you've created. And then when you get to your course, you're going to go to the left-hand side under Settings, click on Settings, and on this page, you will go all the way to the bottom, and it's going to ask you, you will see where it says to the end, more options. You're going to highlight and copy this link here. Sorry, getting too much. That link there, and you will share that link with the students in order for them to join your course. I hope this helps. Email me back if you have any questions.